So what is the real world cost of not using technology to capture your field data? Well, today GeoWing Academy has a look at a real world project that was done collecting 830 data points using an app that was designed and customized specific for the project, and comparing that to the use of good old pen, paper, and handheld devices, such as cameras and handheld GPSs. So first, let's have a look at time. The first column here gives a conservative view of how quickly data can be collected in the field and translated as well to get it ready for analysis. So field time, for a conservative view of about 6 minutes, is around 82 hours in the field for the 830 data points, and around 117 for the pessimistic view. And then time to translate the data is around 41 hours in the conservative view, and around 59.5 hours for a pessimistic view. So this equates to about 124 hours for the conservative and about 176 hours for the pessimistic view. So now let's have a look at the time difference using the app. So as you can see here in the table above, there was only about 51.5 hours of field data capture time, and time to ready the data for analysis was pretty much zero. The data was synchronized from the field to the cloud and was immediately ready for analysis, and therefore didn't need to be typed out. So now let's have a look at the financial cost. So the labor cost of about $50 an hour to both collect the field data and then transcribe it into an Excel spreadsheet from the paper is around about $6,210, and at the pessimistic view is around $8,825 for the project. And now if we have a look at the app, we can see that the labor cost at the same rate costs around $2,585, and if we include the setup for the app, $431, we come out at about $3,016. So as you can see from the table above, the net savings using the app versus the traditional methods is huge. Data validity also becomes an issue because of the time dilation between the time that the data was collected and the time that the data was analyzed and all of that information consolidated into a report format. So the shorter the time span between data collection and reporting, the better. So what are the costs of not using technology for your field data collection? Well, they're pretty massive. To find out more about tech-based solutions, go to GeoWing Academy today.